Hi friends, today we're going to be showing you how to use some of our favorite clips and accessories, and these are the perfect ways to use them if you're going back to school. So keep watching to learn how to do it. And don't forget to hit that like button for us so that more people can see our content, and also subscribe so you can see our new videos every single week. The first hairstyle slash hair clips that I'm going to start out with are so cute. They're claw clips. And I don't know if they'll be able to focus super well, but just really cute. They have like some fun little confetti in there, pink and blue. So I'm just gonna start by taking a good little section of my hair, pulling it back, and almost in the back, just clipping it like that to give myself a little volume. And then I'm literally just gonna repeat it to the other side, but I'm gonna leave a little bit of hair down in the front. Loosen it up a little bit. Pull a couple of hairs down to make sure it looks nice and natural. And that is literally it for the first hairstyle. So cute, so fun, and so easy. This next set of clips is so fun, colorful, sparkly, all that good stuff. And I just picked them up at my local drugstore. So I will show you how to use them. They slide in like barrettes. You just open them up. I'm gonna pull just one side of my hair back. Slide one in, and then just slide the other one in right behind it. I find that this looks best and gives you maximum impact as far as cuteness goes. That is it. Okay, so I love a couple little dainty hair clips. I think they're so pretty. I love these little ones that look like stars or suns. They're just really cute. And I have a rose gold, a silver, and a gold. And I'm just going to take the right side of my hair and kind of pull it up. And then I'm going to take my first clip, pin it in. And then you can either pin them all the same direction, or you can change up the direction. I'm going to take my second one and I'm going to flip it so that the star is on the opposite side of this one. And I'm gonna pin it in like that. So I'm just gonna pin it in so they're going the opposite direction. And then I'm gonna take my last one and do it upwards, just right behind the last one. Thank you guys so much for watching our 3 super fun, super quick, super easy, super cute hairstyles. We hope that you'll watch our next videos and have a great day.